Our point of departure must be the conception of an almost childlike play sense expressing itself in various play forms, some serious, some playful, but all rooted in ritual and productive of culture by allowing the innate human need of rhythm, harmony, change, alternation, contrast, and climax, unfold in full richness, but in acknowledging play you acknowledge mind, for whatever else play is, it does not matter. Even in the animal world it bursts the bounds of the physically existent. From the point of view of a world wholly determined by the operation of blind forces, play would be altogether superfluous. Play only becomes possible, thinkable, and understandable when an influx of mind breaks down the absolute determinism of the cosmos. The very existence of play continually confirms the superlogical nature of the human situation. Animals play, so they must be more than merely mechanical things. We play mechanical things. We play.
Guys, dinner's ready.